Hey, this is David Benjamin, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Mito Pro 1500. This is their, I think it's $1,100 device, and I'm going to be sharing with you what this device is, what it does, and the specific health benefits, and my review on it, experiencing it. And I have quite literally used 3 different red light brands, maybe even 4 up until this one. So I speak from experience in the sense that I've utilized multiple red light products from different companies and can give you, the upsides and downsides of each. So first things first, this light contains 630, 660, 830, and 850 nanometer spectrum wavelengths of light. What that means is that these are, first of all, these are the most bioactive forms of light. So the sun has specific wavelengths. These are numbers, 630, 660, 830, and 850 being 4 of them, that the sun produces. So this is essentially mimicking those wavelengths, those 4 wavelengths from the sun at 25% each within this light. So that's the first thing you need to know, is it's mimicking sunlight in that sense. Additionally, these are the most bioactive wavelengths, and they support your body's functions in many, many, many different ways. So hair health, hair health, scalp health, hair loss, anything to do with scalp, hair loss, etc., alopecia, beneficial for. Beneficial for skin health, exercise performance and muscle recovery, oral health, bone health and joint health. Let's see here. Injuries and pain, blood flow, cellular health, mitochondria, and it also improves sleep because we live in a world where we have blue light exposure and green light exposure, and all these white, blue, and green lights affect our circadian rhythm and cause our melatonin production to be decreased. And this really just ultimately causes issues as a whole within our sleep, our energy, and so much more. So it also improves sleep health. And one of the things that I really like about this unit in particular is that it really helps your body it primes your skin to absorb vitamin D. So when you get red light therapy, and you turn it on here in the back, and once you turn that thing, this right here, you have a timer at the top, mode, time, and okay. So I could show you that closer up so you can see it. So it's essentially just, timer, mode, time, okay. And this allows you to choose what, your program is. I leave it on at 20 minutes because I do a 20-minute session. It just keeps it easy, keeps it simple. And then you simply turn it on here, and the timer starts to go down, obviously, once that light is on. It's a very powerful light. It puts out a lot of lumens, a lot of light. I'm going to pause it, though, for the sake of me sharing this with you. So all these benefits, right? Skin health, hair health, muscle, joint, cellular health, mitochondria, sleep health, and so much more. And what I like about this unit in particular, in comparison to past units that I've had, is that the lights are incredibly strong. So they are stronger and they seem to go further. And if I'm sitting in front of my red light therapy device, I'll typically sweat. So starting the day or ending the day with a good little infrared sweat this has both infrared and near infrared, benefiting your health in those different pathways is incredibly beneficial. So what's nice about it, what I like about it, is if for example, right now it's on the floor, and you can actually hang the top of it right here with an attachment to your door so that it quite literally hangs from your door so you can stand in front of it. For me, just for frame of reference, I'm 5'9", and if it's on the ground and I'm kneeing next to it like this, so I'm on my knees, it goes to about my chin. So from my neck to my knees, so my entire legs, obviously my groin, which men get your groin on the red light, it boosts testosterone. My stomach, digestive health, immunity, circulation, etc. And then my chest, also on your chest, boosts testosterone as well, men. So what I like about it is it's a very powerful light. It puts out a lot of light, and it has yellow, red, or orange red, and then the bulbs that don't light up are the near infrared, is my understanding. So what I like about it is it's very strong, it's very powerful, it emits a lot of light, and I feel mentally and physically invigorated, and I feel more vitality and energy and stamina once I do red light therapy. And the longer the session, the better. I like to get a good sweat in. I like to, have my skin sweat. I like to feel that my body's detoxifying and that my circulation is enhanced from the experience. And I feel like that really just kind of makes it, even more valuable. So let me flip this for you once again, the specifics. So what you do in the back here is you flip this switch back here, which is a little difficult to see. It's right there, and it lights up once it's on. And from there, you basically, you have a timer right here. So you can go 1 minute all the way up to 20. I just leave it at 20 because I do 20-minute sessions, like I said. And then when it's at 20, you can do the mode. You can do infrared, near infrared, or both. I just do both because it's the most efficient use of my time and it just makes sense. So A1 is both, just so you know. And once that is going, you hit OK. And you can see the infrared light right here showing infrared is on. So it's near infrared and infrared. And as you can see, there we go. This is the angle I wanted. You have yellow, red, and empty. These empty ones are not empty though, however, it's just a spectrum of light that we cannot see that is naked to the visible eye. And you can actually you can actually see on camera with the naked eye, you can't, but you can see there's a a light in there. So yellow, red, and then that. So the different colors, the different wavelengths of light. Once again, we have 630, 660, 830, and 850 nanometer spectrum wavelength of light. And this light, once again, from the floor to here, you can hang it on your door, is, for me, about from my kneecaps to my chin, and I'm 5'9". So it gets most of my legs, my whole midsection, my whole chest, my whole, my groin, my chest. As a man, you want to get your groin and chest get your red light on those areas as it boosts testosterone. So there's so many benefits, and I just personally love it. I am in northern Michigan right now, and in the wintertime, if you're in the north or even in the middle of the country, I don't know how people go through these seasons without red light therapy. For me, it is incredibly beneficial for just simply energy levels, my mood, my brain chemistry, my sleep. I feel better physically, mentally, emotionally, and it's worth it. And the thing I love about health technology like this from Mito is that you buy it once and it lasts forever, right? So you buy it once and you benefit forever. And really, you just want to get as much skin on the red light as possible on, either side of, your arms, your legs, your midsection, your back. So you really just want to get as much skin exposure as possible. And get naked and stand in front of the red light. Don't sit there with clothes on. I see people sit in front of red lights with clothes on. I'm like, what are they doing? It's not how you do that. So get naked, stand a few inches from it, and absorb as much light as possible into your skin. And your skin will benefit, your circulation will benefit, your mitochondria, your cellular health, and so much more. So I'm going to put the link to the Mito Red Light below this video, along with a discount code, HEALTHYWILD3. So if you use that discount code, I believe it's 5% off. So this panel is the Mito Pro 1500, and as you can see, it's a big panel. Let me back up. It's a big panel, and it really covers a lot of space. Excuse the cord mess here. But yeah, it gives you a lot of light and really exposes, the majority of your body to light. If I stand in front of it, it's about at my belly button if it's on the floor. So, but if I have it higher, like from my, Adam's apple down, it's about my knees to my Adam's apple. And like I said, I'm 5'9". So it's going to give you, your body a lot of light, and it's just a warming, soothing, relaxing, and energizing experience at the same time. It's a very grounding experience. And when it looks like that outside, it's nice to have something like this inside. Nice, warm red light to help your energy and your sleep. So check out the link below. I'll put the link below along with the discount code. I hope you get a unit and enjoy it and benefit from it and get that red light in your life. Cheers.